Hello, everyone. It is Tropics, Atlantic Hurricane Season 2020 video 2. We have Hurricane Imelda. Imelda. Two, and let's get into this. So, Hurricane Imelda, Tuesday, September 30th, 2025. Last day of September before we go into October. Hurricane 2 a.m. or no 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Intermediate advisory 16A. Center locations 29.2 north, 75.9 west. Maximum sustained winds of 85 miles per hour. Movement east northeast at 12 miles per hour. We're not going to bring up the discussion because apparently there's nothing to discuss. But there is hurricane warnings for Bermuda. So, Bermuda, listen up over here. So here we are on New with has a pressure of 979. Expected to be 85, 90. This is using the not 16 advisory discussion. It is expected to be 85, 90 as a category. A category 2 with 100 miles per hour by October 1st. About 90 miles October by second. And it's supposed to be extratropical with 85, 70. So, Bermuda, you are under a hurricane warning, and I need to caution it as hurricane warnings are expected for you guys. Get up as they're expected to get 30. Don't I don't want you guys to think you're in the clear, but I think you guys are supposed to have bad wind. I can't figure it out, but I believe the bad wind is supposed to come in by this somewhere between October 1st at uh what could be 10. It's 9 or 10 o'clock at night. So yeah. Bermuda, please stay aware. It's you guys need to take action. I think it's okay to that being this is not, take a look at this. Take a look at this. So as you can tell, this is Roberto, our storm that we're recording for. They are. I was to do this. They're 407 miles. That's the Wujiwaga effect right there. And that's a full effect right now. Basically, this storm, Amelia, is the dominant one right now. Berto, it's weakening. Category 4 a couple days ago. Since yesterday. And became its weakened stage today. Expected to be a tropical by today or tomorrow. So yeah. head over to WeatherWise for the spaghetti malls, and then we'll end it off. Keep in mind, I will be recording the pack video. It's just it will be more later time. I think we're scheduled to do 4 p.m. daylight time. Lifetime of a typhoon that planned will get delayed until maybe 4:30 after 4:30. So that up, that in mind. So I just spaghetti. Okay, so here's our spaghetti mom. As you can see, some of them are out to sea. One of them is going towards Canada, and another one's having it go back to Bahamas. Well, this ain't clearly gonna happen, and I don't think this is gonna happen. So you can tell that most of them are going up there or to Iceland. Uh, that's not the end of this. So here it is. Some are predicting category 3, and I don't like them. Now, when we originally made our video on the when it became a tropical storm, we had it targeting South Carolina, had it targeting the East Coast. Thanks to Alberto, now it's prevented it. Here's the air deadlock on. But yeah, that being said, this is Trevor Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.